Yo guys, back here with another video. So today we do have an unboxing. Based on the title, I'm pretty sure y'all know what shoe this is. So let's go ahead and open it. We did manage to hit on Jimmy Jazz. First time hitting on Jimmy Jazz. Ooh, this box looks amazing. Look at that. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna go unbox these. Yo, they gave me a bag. Yo, Jimmy Jazz coming in clutch, broski. Yo, this paper looking mad sexy. Right? Unbox this together. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yo, guys. Quality on this shoe. Oh my gosh. Absolutely amazing. Yo, look at that. Look at that. Oh, shit. It's fucking nice. Yo, this, I don't know. Like, I'm surprised that these shoes are barely, like, you're barely making any money off of these right now. This is a size 9. Yo, I absolutely love this shoe. If this was my size, low-key I would keep it. But you know, that's the thing with the resale game. You can't keep everything you do cop. Look at that. It looks really, really nice. But I do see these going up in the future. You can probably get like pairs around, I know GS size are like around 200 to 220. You can go ahead and, I do see, should you hold or should you sell? In my opinion, if you just have one pair, go ahead and sell it now. If you plan on holding it, you're not really gonna make that much more. It'll probably hit like around 300, 320 in a couple months. I would probably just take the money that you're getting now and go ahead and use it on something else. It's not worth waiting 6 months for an extra $50 to $60. But if you do plan on investing in these are a good investment. If you can get pairs like around 200, 220, if you get like, let's say 10 pairs for $200, what is that? 10 pairs, let's say you get them for $220. That's $2,200 invested, all right? But I do see these going up and hitting 300, 320 range in a couple months, maybe 3 to 6 months, maybe a little longer. But if you do buy to invest in these, going back to the same price that we just did, if we do 300 times 10, that's $3,000. You make like around $800 profit, which isn't that bad if you plan on investing in these. GS sizes, will they go up faster? I don't really know. I feel like, but I'm sure that these shoes will go up in price. If you do plan on investing on these, try to aim around 200, 220 for your pairs. I would recommend investing in these. I would probably buy pairs, but Christmas is upon us, so I do need the money right now for other things. But let me know if you guys plan to cop. Did y'all cop? Would y'all wear this for the toe? I personally would. Very nice shoe. Fantastic. Let me know down in the comment sections below if y'all hit, if you didn't hit, if y'all plan on investing in these shoes, because personally I would. just don't have the amount of income right now for that investment. But I mean, I do see these the prices on these should go down a little bit because pairs are coming in, people are trying to dump them. So these could take a while to go up, that's for sure. If they do go up, they're gonna take a while. I know I'm pretty sure these were limited, so it might go up in like 3 to 4 months, but I do see these going up in around 6 months, hitting that 300 mark. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.